Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is notes names. Our topic is notes names. The following are called notes. This is called a semibreve. This is called a minim. This is called a crochet. Semibreve looks like an oval. Minim is like a semibreve but with a stem. The head is white. Crochet is like a minim. It has a long stick called stem. The head is black. The crochet head is shaded. Semibreve is ta a a, that is 4 counts. The minim is ta a, that is 2 counts. The crochet is ta, that is 1 count. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.